So both fans are going to come equipped with these Coleman camp tables. I just want to show you real quick how to put it together. Once you take all the pieces out, you basically have two crossbars, the frame itself, and the top of the table. So to take the frame out, we're just going to pull both sides out. It'll expand, and then you're going to take the holes in these poles, and there's two little catches on either side, and you're going to snap that in there. And then if it doesn't reach, you just keep expanding the frame. And then you pop it in the side here. And then you do the same with the other. Hole to the catch, pop it in, pop it in. Now we're going to take our top and we're going to fold it out. We want to make sure that the catches on the top meet the black catches on the poles. We'll put those in place. One. Two. And then you've got two on the back side. There's some elastic in here so you can pull this top away and set it in place. Bingo, bango, bongo. You've got a nice lightweight camp table set up for cooking or whatever else you need it for. Now, same thing to take it apart, put it away. We're just going to pull the top off. We can roll this up. And then remove the poles. We can stick these back in the bag as we get out here. Remove the crossbars. And then just gently put the frame back together. And the table is all put away.